Hello guys, how are you to our English learning series? Today we're going to learn English pronouns and the verb to be. Okay? There are some of the most important building blocks of English sentences. So let's start our lesson. First, let's learn English subject pronouns. A subject pronoun is a word we use instead of person, name, or thing. Okay? There are 7 important subject pronouns or subject pronouns. There are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So they was 7 subject pronouns. Okay? Let's learn them one by one. So I, for example, I am a student. I am a student. And repeat. Say, I am a student. Okay? For example, you are my friend. You are my friend. And repeat it. And he, for example, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Okay? Repeat after me. He's a teacher. She, for example, she's a student. She's a student. And it, for example, one note, it is usually used for things, animals, and situations. Okay? For example, it's a book. It's a book. So repeat after me. It's a book. And we, for example, we are friends. We are friends. So friends, repeat after me for more that you can repeat it and focus on it. Okay? And they, for example, they're students. They are students. And repeat after me. Excellent, my friends. They was pronouns. Let's say all 7 together. Okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So the verb to be. Now let's learn one of the most important verbs in English. What is this verb? This verb is to be. In the present tense, to be has 3 forms. To be has 3 forms. Am, is, are. Okay. The form depends on the subjects, on the subject. With I, we use am. So I am. Okay, I am. For example, I want to say an example. No problem. I am happy. I am happy. I am a student. I am a student. I am from United States. I am from United States. Now with he, she and it we use is. Okay, for example, he is happy. He is happy. Okay, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. It is a book. It is a book. And with you, we and they, we use are. Okay? For example, you are my friends. You are my friends. We are students. We are students. They are happy. They are happy. Let's remember the simple rule. What's this rule? I am. He is. She is. You are. We are. They are. So repeat after me. It's very important, my friends. So I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Very good, my friends. And that I think it's enough for beginners, and the next lessons we are improve the synthesis, no problem. So guys, I hope this video is inshallah helpful for you. So see you in the next lesson, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Goodbye.